Hello, welcome back to the brand new session of Certified Ethical Hacking Program. And this section we will discuss about the module summary of fourth module, that is enumeration. Right. So in this module we discuss the enumeration concepts along with the techniques, services and ports used for enumeration. And we have also discussed how attackers perform different ports, how attackers perform different enumeration techniques, net buyers, SNMP, LDAP, NTP, NFS, SMTP, DNS, IPsec, VoIP, RPC, Linux, Unix, Telnet, FTP, TFTP, SMB, IPv6, and BGP enumeration to gather information about the target. This module enabled with a detailed discussion on the countermeasures that organizations can adopt to defend against enumeration activities. Right. So in the next module, we will discuss in detail how attackers as well as ethical hackers and pen testers perform vulnerability analysis to identify security loopholes in the target organization networks, communication infrastructure, and systems.